Hey guys, welcome to the studio. Today we're going to have some fun creating what's called non-objective art. If you're not familiar with non-objective art, it's just art that's not based on any specific thing. It's basically experimenting with lines, shapes, and colors, so it can be a whole lot of fun. A lot of times people will refer to it as abstract, but abstract is actually a real object that's been taken and changed. And so non-objective, is just the lines, shapes, and colors. So today you'll want to consider when you get started what type of shapes you'll want to use, whether you want to use geometric or organic. And then you want to think today also while you create your artwork about repetition. And that's just when you repeat something, a shape, color, or line, over and over. It kind of gives your work balance and makes it interesting. And so there is my non-objective art that I finished. And now I'm going to show you how to get started on this project. Okay, so the supplies you'll need for today's project are a piece of white paper, you'll need a ruler, and then some different size circle templates. I just have a can of soup and then like some lids to some different containers that are different sizes, a pencil, oil pastels, and some paint. And so to get started, I am going to need my ruler and pencil and circle templates. This artwork is based on the artwork of Robert and Sonia Delaunay, and it is non-objective like we discussed earlier, and so I'm just kind of experimenting, and you can have fun and do the same. You could try different shapes and divide it up different ways. Okay, so now that I have my circles drawn out and I've used some straight lines from my ruler to divide the circles into different shapes, I am now going to take the oil pastels and just outline only the shapes that I drew. But each time I reach a line, I'm going to stop and change colors. I hope y'all had fun with your non-objective art. I hope you had fun experimenting and trying out different things. Please subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching.